Hello guys, welcome to again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you Instagram story avatar options not available and not showing in iPhone and Android device. Lot of Instagram users to say in Instagram new update after Instagram story avatar option is not showing and also not available on iPhone and Android device. Now the Instagram users question is what to do for the fixing this issue on iPhone and Android. Before the starting video, please make sure you are subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad and Android. Before the start video, you can see also first important thing is strong Wi-Fi and mobile data to connect your iPhone and Android device. Once the Wi-Fi is connected, now open the Instagram applications, left hand side corner, also story icon and select the story. Now select the any one pictures from the gallery. Now top corner sticker icon available. Now please make sure tap on it. In this sticker options you can see also avatar option is not showing and not available in iPhone and Android device. Now Instagram simple users question is what to do for the fixing this issue on my iPhone and Android. Now first one important solution is Instagram clear cache and clear data. Now question is what to do. Now first of all press and hold the Instagram applications and select the app information. In the app informations right hand side you can see also clear data and clear cache option is available. Now please make sure tap on it and you can easily restart your Instagram application and easy to fix your problems. If your first solution is not working, now go for the second solution. Now the second solution is most important. First of all Instagram application is uninstalled. Now again reinstall on your iPhone and Android. Now first of all find out the Instagram applications, press and hold. After last option is uninstall. Now please make sure uninstall from your iPhone and Android. Now open the App Store in the iPhone and also Play Store in the Android devices. Top corner search bar, in search bar Instagram application. Again log in your account, you can easily fix your problems. Now last solution is download all version of the Instagram and on your iPhone and Android. Now first of all open the any browser like Safari and Chrome browser. I will open the Chrome browser in Android devices. This website link I give you on my descriptions box. So guys please make sure copy and paste on your browser. Open the website, after scroll down and select the February 2022 versions in your iPhone and Android device. In these versions avatar option is available on the Instagram story. So guys, these three solutions apply on your iPhone and Android devices. This way too you can easily get back avatar option on Instagram story. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. Thank you so much.